Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show the features of surface boundary, boundary surface in Solidworks software. So let's going to start going to the file, and I'm creating a new file. So Control N, a part is selected. Okay, after that I'm going to select the right plane. Okay, right plane, then normal. I'm going to the sketch, taking the 3-point arc. So I'm going here and 3 point are selected. Now 1 point, another point, and the arc. That means click select. Going to the smart dimension and determine the dimension from here to here. It will be. I think this measurement is. Okay, I'm taking 3 inch. Okay, done. Then exit it. I'm taking another plan of the right plane. Going to the features, reference geometry. Taking the other plane, and the distances will be 3, 2. Okay, done. Then I'm going to the sketch, again taking the 3-point arc, one click and another click, and up to here. Reverse click, select, going to the smart dimension, and the distance of this 2 point will be 4. Taking the 4 inch. Okay, done. Then exit it. Control 7 from the keyboard. Going here, hide the plane, and I'm going to insert surface, and I'm store it. Store the first one first arc. Cross it. Revolve is selected. So from the surface again, and extrude is selected. And extrude the first line, first arc. Okay, and increase it up to 0.5. Done. Then again I'm going to the insert surface, and again the extrude it and click this one. Also 0.5 inch. Okay, done. Then I'm going to insert 3D sketch is selected. Then I'm going to the sketch and taking the arc is again 3-point arc. I'm drawing from here to here and going up to this. Advanced click. Select. Then I'm going to the insert surface and the boundary surface selected. Then the direction 1 is selected and direction 2. Now I'm going to select this edge. 1 is selected and I'm selecting another edge which will be closed. It's closed, and I'm going to here and select this arc. Okay, you're watching, curve is selected. You can also draw a mouse by this features, by using these features. Okay, see the object, surface boundaries. I'm going to change the color in the features. I'm going here, plastic is selected, medium glass, high glass. I'm taking this one, and the color is this one. This one is best. Okay. Hold on, see the view. Going here, see the edge. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you think that you are benefited, subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share. If you have any question, you can ask in comment box. Thank you.